From gnome patch to popcorn palace. My Captastic Corn Growing Guide. How to grow corn. Complete growing guide. Yo, veggie fans, forget your grandma's dusty elk corn patch. This is container gardenin with a gnome-approved twist. Easier than climbing a mushroom after a rain shower. Remember that YouTube vid with the host who's cooler than a popsicle on a scorcher. Well, I'm gonna give you the gnome-down on the good stuff. No snooze-fest science jargon here. First off, corn gets grumpy in the cold. Think of it like a sunbather. Gotta warm up those muscles before breaking a sweat or sprouting a stalk. And before you plant those seeds, give them a little banana peel power up by soaking them for 8 hours. Corn ain't no loner. Think of it like a gnome shindig. The more the merrier. The more delicious the snacks. Corn is a hungry fella, so don't be stingy. With the critter chaos control, that's fancy talk for fertilizer. Think of it as spinach for Popeye. Gotta build those muscles. For growing big, juicy cobs, watering is key, but don't drown the poor fella. Deep, regular sips are what it craves, especially when the sun's beaten down like a grumpy troll. Speaking of sun, corn worships it like a gnome worships a rainbow. After a storm, it needs at least 8 to 10 hours of direct sunlight a day. Think of it like a gnome charging its solar-powered beard. The more sun, the happier the corn, and the happier the gnome because delicious cobs. The video had some cool bonus features, like those time-lapse sequences that made the corn grow in seconds. It was like watching magic beans on fast forward. And don't forget the secret tips hidden in the description box. It's known gold. So, you ready to ditch the store-bought stuff and grow your own corn kingdom? It's easier than you think. Just remember, warm soil, banana peel power-up, corn party block, critter chaos control, deep water drinks, sunbeam showers, and a sprinkle of gnome magic. With a little love and laughter, you'll be harvesting cobs so big, they'll make your taste buds do the Macarena. Now get out there, young sproutlings, and get grubby. And remember, if you ever need a gnome-tastic gardenin tip, just holler. Gnome Dave's always happy to help. Just don't ask me to share my stash of rainbow glitter fertilizer. Hat's top secret gnome stuff. To see more of this how to grow corn complete growing guide video, the link will be available in the description. Happy gardening!